Good afternoon, my students from grade 5 to and grade 6 class of Productive Learners Christian Academy. Our lesson for today is not only uh, piling up our students' biodata, but also discussing the types of sentences. Since you are in grade 5 and grade 6, I presume and assume that you are already good in reading and comprehension. So we have four types of sentences. So what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Example, Tom is going to play. Tom is going to play. What do you observe? It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. When we say complete thought, it discusses who is the subject and what is the predicate. Who is the subject in the sentence? Tom is the subject, and the predicate is he is going to play. That's why the sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Always remember it begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, sometimes ends with an exclamation point or a question mark. So always remember that a sentence expresses a complete thought. I observed from grade 4 students and some of the grade 5 students, they didn't start the sentence with a capital letter. So always remember that one, and always close the sentence with a period. If a sentence doesn't begin with a capital letter and ends with a period, we call it fragment, or in other words, it is only a phrase. A phrase or a fragment is a group of words that does not express a complete thought. Example, around the corner. Around the corner, there is no subject. Who is around the corner? What is around the corner? So it doesn't expresses a complete thought, and it is called a fragment or a phrase. There are four types of sentences: declarative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence. When we say declarative sentence, a sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. For example, John is a student. When we say a statement, something that declares, that tells something about the subject. So it's declarative. Declarative makes a statement. Exclamatory. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that is said with strong feeling or emotions. Always ends with an exclamation mark. For instance, or for example, what a shame. So the sentence has its feeling. When we say what a shame, we're taking and telling it in a loud voice, sometimes with an angry voice, or with a sad voice. In the picture, we see a boy that he failed the exam. That's why somehow he told himself, what a shame, in a sadly manner. And that ends with an exclamation or exclamation point because it tells and said with a strong feeling or emotions. Number 3, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question and always end with a question mark. So question mark is like an arc with a period. Example, what is your name? And there is an intonation at the end of the sentence. What is your name? How old are you? Where do you live? How do you feel? There is a question mark, and somehow you're telling it with a question, feeling of questioning something. Always remember it ends with a question mark. And lastly, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that is a command. Example, go to your room, clean your room, wash the dishes, keep quiet. That is a command. So when we are telling a command, it ends with a period and always begin with a capital letter. So if a sentence is telling something about a command, something that you need to do, that's an imperative sentence. For the grade 5 and grade 6 students, this is an activity. There are 4 sentences, and let us identify the sentences according to its kind, right? The kind of sentences after the sentence. For example, number 1, take out the trash. What kind of sentence is it? Is it exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, declarative sentence, or imperative sentence? Copy the sentence and write your answer after the sentence. Other sentences are given for you to answer. I will give you a minute to answer this and submit it on our messenger or in my messenger. I just read number 2. My house is just around the corner. Can you come over after school today? I saw a shooting star. So what kind of sentence did I read? Identify those sentences and answer the sentences after you read them and write them. Observe the ending and the beginning of the sentence. Let us review. Name the 4 types of sentences. What are the 4 types of sentences? Imperative, interrogative, declarative, and exclamatory sentences. What is the difference between a sentence and a fragment? A sentence expresses a complete thought, while a fragment does not. That's all for today. Good day, grade 4, grade 5, and grade 6. Study your lesson about kinds of sentences, and always remember this part of your lesson will be also given in your examination. So always read, review, and practice your spelling. Have a good day.